So today we are going to draw the lab exercise MCET201 lab exercise LE 3.1, and the question is draw the sectional view for the following assembly and show the mentioned fastener. Okay, so there is a one block. On the block there are two L shape angles, and these are fixed by a M14 hexagonal head cap screw here and another screw here, and two plates are joined with some shaft or maybe wood or maybe gap by 32, that is it is not mentioned here, so we'll assume this has wood or something, or this is another part, and it is joined by using a stud with a washer, two washers and nut here. So before that, now here the dimensions are given M16. So dimensions are given M16 and M14. So we need to find last lab weeks we did that, how to find the calculations. So these are the calculations to draw the nut and bolt in lab last exercise 2.3. We study that. If it is a M16, so M16 means the major diameter is 16 and minor diameter is small d, capital D. We need to calculate by this using this formula: minor diameter 0.85 d and major diameter 16, and W 1.5 d, bolt head thickness 2d by 3, nut thickness 7d by 8, bolt length and thread length. It is depends on the assembly drawing. So for that we will decide during the drawing, and it is assumption, so that's why I didn't wrote here. And similarly, a hexagonal headed cap screw, it is a M14, so I wrote here by blue color 14. Major diameter is 14, minor diameter is 11.9 by calculation, W will be 21, bolt head thickness is 9. So let's start. So we'll start by using the AutoCAD. Start AutoCAD, template, name plot style ISO, and first, as I told you, the model, this is a grid on off, snap setting, snap setting, snap setting, grid, polar tracking, and it should be select all. If you did it last time, it will be remain same. And this is a orthogonal on off, so whenever I need, make it on and off during time. Now this is a line color, this is bilayer thickness, and this is line type. So others and load, the central line and hidden line, I need this always anytime. And hidden line, H hidden, H type hit H will get hidden, okay, type C will get center, and okay. And now dimension style, next is a zoom command, Z enter, A enter always, and dimension style DIM STY style, and ISO 25, modify it, and select lines. So extend beyond line, I will select here 2, that is good, and here 1, and base it is okay. Symbol and arrows, so here I will make it 3 size, here I will make it 3, and here I will make it 2, and break size. So see this distance between the orange line and dimension line, that is increase, and that will be differentiate between that. And then text is 3, and offset text from the dimension line, I will make it 1 milli. So this distance between text and dimension line will be increased. Okay, close. Okay, so this is our origin X and Y. So I will draw a line, any line near about 200 millimeters. See, I need a ortho on, so I will click ortho. So I need to a horizontal line, and I will make it around 200. Okay, so it is not important, and I will make the x-axis, that is axis, and now I will make the one line which is L bracket. I will draw the L bracket about this line and around 100 length. I will trim it later on with 100. Okay, so I'm going to draw this L now. So total length is, the center line is above 65. And then this 50. So I will offset this 50 and one center line that is about 65 below. So this line I will offset 65 below, 65, enter, and this enter. Okay, and this line is 50. So offset 50, enter this line here. Okay, then from here to here, this length from this point to this point, how much length? So this is a L 100, means height is 100, 75 is from this point to here, that is a width, and 10 is thickness. Okay, so 100, I will offset this line 100 up. So click on offset 100, enter this line up. So here I don't need this trim line, I will trim it, trim, yes, and this also. Now this line I will make it offset 32 as per given here. So offset 32, enter this line up and this line down. Okay, and then trim this. Just I am drawing a L given assembly as it is. Okay, so then I will offset this line 10, thickness of L section. It is given as 10, enter here, and this line here, and this line up. Now I will join this, enter, enter. Now here is a fillet and here is a fillet, here is fillet. So first I will draw the base, and so even I need to offset this line. Okay, the thickness. So this line is 100, 75. So I will offset this line 75 here. So click on offset and 75, enter, and here, and I will make this line down. Here, escape. Now this is 100, from here to here it is 75, 65, yeah, this is 10, it is correct. Now just I will extend this line. So click on extend and click here just only, and this I will trim it, trim. Okay, so you can do it later. Now 60, this line I will offset it 60. So click on offset 60 or 65, let it confirm, 60, enter, this line down. Okay, and then I will trim it just this. Now I will offset this line and 200 here, 200. So click it here, offset 200, enter this line here. So we'll trim it now. See, very easy. Now I need to make the fillet, and it is given somewhere the fillet, yeah, R10. So you will use our fillet radius is R10. So you will use the command fillet. So this is here fillet chamfer and blend. So I will use the fillet, and here I need to change the radius. Okay, so first I need to write, because the radius is by default is 0 every year. So I will change radius type R, hit, and then write the radius 10, enter, and then select the corner. Yes. To repeat command, enter. To repeat command, enter. To repeat command, enter. So here because it is trim, and now I will make it line here, enter, and now fillet. Already radius is there, no need to enter now. Yeah, you changed before. Yes, and one more here. Check whether at the base is there a fillet or not. Yeah, not here. Now we will draw M16 stud with both side washers. Stud and nut with both side washers. Okay, so 16. So here I will draw the hexagon. So click on polygon, enter the number of sides, 6, enter, specify the center here. Okay, select the options, subscribe about the circle, and here this AutoCAD is asking the distance between two flat sides. So it is distance between two flat sides, W is 24. So 24 for the 16. So diameter is 12. So radius is 12. So I will enter the radius 12. Radius of circle is 12. Enter. So here this flat size, I will turn this hexagon because I want corner here, so that I can draw the here. So right click or rotate, radial, specify the base point. Base point is this center, and angle is click on this line or enter 90. So here enter 90 or click here 90. Now draw the circle with the same radius or touching to this line. Okay, now change the yellow color and draw the projection line. So what is the meaning of, I am looking in this direction so I can see these corners. So make a projection line there. So click here so I can see this corner, and make a ortho on and draw it here. Repeat command again, enter, enter. So I can see this corner and click it here. Enter, enter. I can, from this side I can see the corner, enter, enter. This. Also I can see this chamfer and this circle also from the side, enter. Okay. So this is construction line. Now I am going to construct the nut on both this side. We'll draw the washer and nut here, okay, of M60. So this line will offset it on washer 3.2. Select this line, click on offset, right here 3.2, 3.2, enter, and click it here. Diameter of the washer. So how much this length from this line down and up, that is a washer diameter. So washer diameter is 2D, 32 means 16 up, 16 down. So I will select this line, up 16, down 16, offset 16, enter here, and this line here. So I will draw only washer. So select this line, and select this line, and select this line, and click on trim. So click outside. I don't want, I want only washer. I will select this and I will offset the nut thickness 70 by 8 14. So I'll select this line, click on offset and write 14, enter this side. So remember, all these yellow lines, select these yellow lines, these are the projection, will be available for nut only. So this is a nut. So select this 6 lines and these 2 lines for nut and trim outside. This will not available anywhere. So click on trim. So click it here and here. I don't want, here and here. I don't want. So same here and here, here and here. And this I don't want outside. Yes, and I don't want here. What is the procedure to construct the nut? So from this point and this point, draw a 30-degree chamfer. So from click on line, change the color line now by layer, click on line, and from here I make a ortho of, and I need to make a 30-degree. From here to here 30-degree means 30 plus 90, 120. Okay, so any length, enter the here 6.4, make it 10, tab, I will jump here angle 120, enter. Angle between these two lines is 30 now. Okay, so same way I can do here, but I will make a mirror. So select this line, click on mirror, and this is a center line, is a mirror line. Click on any 2 points on this line. Do you want to delete? No. Then join the intersection. So click on here and join this intersection and join this intersection. Escape. Or I can make the mirror also. Now I need to draw the arc. So this line I can, this is a single line, but I want there 3 lines. I want there 3 lines from this line to this line 1, from this line to this line 2nd, and from this line to this line 3rd line. So what I will do, I will delete this line and redraw. Redraw. Click on line from here to here to here to here. See now, I have 3 different lines. So midpoint is this. I have this line. This is a midpoint, red, and this midpoint. So I need to draw the arc starting from this point, mid here, and end here. Again, arc from here, mid and center. So click on 3-point arc. So this is a starting point. Then move along this line. Move along this line. It will show you, see here, midpoint. Click it here. And then end point here. So this arc I want. Okay, same way I can draw another arc. Click it here. Starting point is here, midpoint is here, and end point is here. Again, click on arc. Starting point is the intersection here, midpoint. See, this is a midpoint and end point. Okay, now here I need to use trim command and I need to delete the lines. Remember, these lines are not seen in side view. So first click trim. Trim. I don't want outside. I don't want corner. I don't want this corner. See, corner is from here. Same. I don't want this line inside corner. This corner inside I don't want. This corner I don't want. This corner I don't want. This corner I don't want. Now after that, it is very important, escape, select this line which I draw for 30-degree and this line to start the arcs. So delete this line. It is very important to delete. If you don't delete, some marks will be deleted for these lines. So this is a nut. 4 faces I can see in the nut. So make it bilayer. Yes. So same nut I need to draw there also with washer. Now I will draw the thread representation for stud. Okay, so stud, what is the size of stud? M16. M16. So major diameter is 16, and minor diameter is 13 point. I will draw the two circles and I will make a projection here. So draw the lines, circle. From here, M16 means diameter radius is 8, enter. Then another circle, center point is here and diameter is small d, 13.6 divided by 2 radius. So I don't have calculator. So I will write here diameter and write here 13.6. If you don't want to calculate. Okay. So this is for major diameter and this is for minor diameter. So I will make a yellow color and I will draw the construction line, draw construction line from this point, horizontal, make it ortho on, and here. This is stud available out of nut and here also. So this stud, I will draw the thread representation. I will draw one any line is length of thread. I will take anywhere here and here. Okay, so it is not so important. And now I will draw the stud in between this line and select these four lines and trim outside. Trim. Here I don't want, here I don't want, here I don't want, here I don't want, and here I will make it mirror. The yellow lines I will trim inside the washer and nut and trim inside. This is first yellow line, this is second yellow line, see, and here this is one and this is another. Now here I will make a bilayer color. This is a thread representation by layer, and now I will make a chamfer here. Chamfer should be 45 degree. So click on chamfer. So angle is must 45, and if angle is 45 means this length and this length is same. Here from here to here this length and this length should be same, means 45. So I will click on angle and here chamfer length, select from this point to this point and read here, specify the chamfer angle 45, 45, enter, and now select this corner. Yes, same way I can repeat the command here, enter, select this corner, select this corner, and I will draw this line. Don't forget this line. So this should be a bilayer line. So I will select the bilayer color here for permanent. Now thread representation chamfer is done. Now I need to draw a thread run out. So this is a stud. So I can choose any line here. From this line I can select anywhere. If I select here, this is a unnecessarily thread length, no need. So you can choose near to this, not far away, not far near. And here my threaded length will be up to from here to here. So this is unnecessarily, no need here. So this will be increase the threading cost, so we will not do the threading there. So here we will take it to thread run out. So how to draw the thread run out? Click on line from this point and draw the line, make a ortho of. So I need to draw like this line. So this angle with axis is 30 degree, very important, 30 degree. So AutoCAD is asking from right hand 150. So I will select any length 10, tab 150, enter. So I can draw this as a mirror, select this line and make it mirror, mirror. Okay, about this line and no. Okay, now I will select the trim. I don't want here. Internal diameter will be deleted because it is no more, threads are not there. So this is thread run out. Okay, now I will make a mirror here both side. So select all this threaded part with washer. Select this with washer. See. this thread representation, thread run out, final diameter, major diameter, thread run out here. Everything is selected and make it mirror this side. So click on mirror and select this as a center line, mirror. Yes. Do you want to delete? No. So this is available here. So this is an unthreaded length, and now the M16 stud nut with washer is finished now. Okay, so we can draw the same procedure here for cap screw. So there is a cap screw of 14 and 32. I will offset this line 32 as a center line for this. So select this line and click on offset inside 32, enter here. So here I will draw another center line to now M14 it is written by blue color. So W is 21. So diameter is 21. So I will draw the polygon here, hexagon, number of sides 6, enter. Center of the polygon is here, and circumscribe, and here the distance W is, so half of 21, 10.5 is 21. Circle from here to here. Now I will use the same procedure and I will draw the here hexagon head here, cap screw head of F14. The same procedure, change the yellow color, okay, and then draw the line, construction line, draw a construction line from here, make a ortho on, yes, enter, this is chamfer. So I will offset this line up as a bolt head thickness 9 by 3, D is 14, so 9.34. So select this line, click offset 9.34, enter, up. Select all the yellow lines and this thickness, nut bolt head thickness, this line and this line, and trim the yellow lines, trim, draw the chamfer, use from here. Okay, so make a ortho of, and I will draw this 30 angle, make a 10, tab, and 30. It's very easy. Okay. So make a line, draw the line from this point up to here, make a ortho on, very important, here, and you can join here. Okay, now I will delete this line and I will draw the 3 lines. I will replace this line by 3 lines. So even I will change the line color by layer, and you will understand line from this first yellow to this corner, to this corner, and last corner. See, there are 3 lines, midpoint, midpoint, midpoint. I need this midpoint, and this midpoint. And then I will 3-point arc from the first and then move along here. See, midpoint, triangle means midpoint, and then end here. Again repeat command, select starting point, mid here, and then end here. Then again arc, starting point here, mid, triangle it is showing, and then here. Then use the trim command. See, I don't want this corner, and no inside this line, no inside this line. Select corner, and delete these 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. If you don't delete this, some marks will be deleted for that. Oh, control yes. Okay, so this is correctly head of the, so select this all and make it bilayer, color white color. Now I need to draw the cap screw. I need to draw the screw of 45 blind hole. So from here to here I need to make a 45 hole of 10 milli. Okay, so I will make a hole of 10 milli. So first select this line, make it offset 45, enter, down. Then offset this 10 milli hole. So this line here 5, here 5. 5, enter this side and this side. So this hole is from this point to this point. Okay, so I will trim outside. This is a hole, trim it. Get this hole as a fat surface. So I will get a triangular surface from here to here and then here, triangle. Okay, so what will be the angle? Around 150. This 15, here 15, here 15, 30 and 150, 180. So I will make ortho of, so this is a 15 angle, I will make it. 10, tab, 1, 5, enter. Same way I will draw the line here, 15 angle again or joint here and then trim that line. So this is important for the hole. Now this is a hole. Now I need to make a threading and then cap screw. So what is the threading? Threading is 14. So capital D is 14 and small d is 11.9. Click on circle here, enter. Again enter. D is 11.9. So diameter 11.9, enter. So bilayer line, yellow, I will draw the construction line from this point, ortho on, up. Starting from this point, and I can choose, I can do the threading here, up to here or here. It is up to you, your choice. How much cap, what is the length of the cap screw? Okay, so I will choose one line from here to here, escape. So select these 4 lines and this line and what is the length from the base of the head and trim above and below. Trim lines for threading and this for a hole. Okay, so make a chamfer here. No need to make it here. So I will trim this hole. Hole is here only, and now I will make a chamfer here. So first chamfer, angle. So chamfer length, read here, specify the chamfer length from here to here. Then angle 4, 5, enter. Select this corner, repeat command, enter. No need to change the dimensions. Click it here and here. Okay, so this is the internal threading. This is internal threading for the hole. Now screw, it is of same. So I will make a chamfer for the screw. Select anywhere up to here. So this is the length of screw. Yes, escape and make the chamfer here again or draw the 45 line. So click on chamfer or just select these 2 lines and paste it here and with this line. So right click, copy selection from this point and paste it here. See, escape. So this is for delete this line and make it from here to here. Layer. Okay, so same I need to draw here. So this the cap screw, there is no thread outside. So I will make this again offset 32, offset 32, enter this side, and now everything I will copy here. Select everything from here to here, yes, and select this also, and I know this point, so I will select from here. Right click, copy selection from this intersection and move it here. Escape. There is a double line, you can delete it and take this line outside little, take this line outside little, give the dimensions. Now this line should be center. I will make it, right click, property here, center line, and this is very long. I will click, right click, property, and I will change the scale. I will make it 0.5 or 110, up to you. It should look good. Okay, and then it is finished now, and make the hatch. Select this hatch. So this is a one part, this is another part, sorry, one part, this is a part number one. I will select and see, I will select clean color. Okay, escape. Now again hatch, this is another part, select 90-degree angle, 90-degree, and I will select the color yellow. Yes, escape. And now there is a one more part, this is one part here, this is color, different orange color or whatever, and see, no, I will select angle, this color, and here I will make it scale 0.5 with a different. Yes, do the dimensions at least whatever you calculated. So whatever the calculated, these dimensions I will show you here. It is very important for the checking. So here, this is from this point to this is a cap screw thickness. See, 9.34. Then nut thickness, nut thickness. See, this is nut thickness. And then W, whatever one maximum, I need a 10 dimensions, and just save it. And then if you want to print it, if you want to print and make a PDF file, what I did here. Okay, so give the dimension and then click on print. This is very important. Click on plot or print, and now name no need, or you can create it and save it later on. You can save this also, no problem. Printer select, if you don't want hard copy, you can select a Microsoft printer to PDF. Okay, and this paper size is A4. Okay, display, click here and select window, select this window only, what is the visible, this much only. Okay, now click on center to plot, it will become under the center, and this is a landscape, and see the preview. Yes, I want to, yeah, this is little up, so exit, and I will go back again and see window, window, and select the window from here and here like this. Okay, and now keep it center and preview. Yeah, it's look good. Exit, and before that apply to layout, and it will come there, and okay. Okay, so before saving, I can write my ID here, text right here, and write your ID 366007. Enter, and then escape. Yes, this is your ID here. You can make the text size change, and if you want to text size, right click edit text, and the size is 2.5. You can make it 3 or 3.5, depends on. Escape. Yes, so now I can see plot, and here it was not a previous plot. Windows and see preview. Here I didn't selected Windows, so Windows, click it here, and it was not shown here. See here. Okay, and preview. Yes, good. It is, your ID is there and everything is there. Exit and say OK and save as. Yes, 3.1. And here we will close this and upload this drawing, save this drawing, and you need to upload on the Blackboard. So we'll stop.